Hello everyone, so today we are going to see the problem count nodes equal to average of subtree. So in that you have been given binary tree and where you have to count the nodes where the average of its subtree is equal to the nodes value. So let's say this is the subtree. So there is one more things when you are calculating average. So the formula for average is total sum upon total count. In that case, like if you have 11 by 2, then you have to took the floor value. So that is just a, you can say, hint for you. So let's see here. I come to this node 6. I can see sum is 6 and count is 1. So my average would be 6 by 1, that is 6, and that is the root value. So I have 1 here. Now come to this, sum is 5 and in its subtree there is 6, sum is 11 and count is 2, and now here average would be 11 by 2, that is 5. Actually it is a 5.5, that but we have to take the floor value, you can see. So it is also plus 1. And let's see for 1. Yes, obviously 1 by 1, that would be 1, and 0 by 0, 0 by 1, that would be 0. So this is also 1. And for 8, that would be 8 plus 1 plus 0, sum divided by 3, that is 9 by 3, and that is 3. So it is not. And for 4, 8, 5, 0, 1 and 6, that is 6, 7, 12 and 24 divided by total node 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that would be 4, and it is equal to 4, that is also 1. So you can see our final answer would be 1 here, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So our final answer would be 5. Now how you can do that? So let's say your tree is like that, 2 and 1 and 3. So to calculate sum here, you should know what is the sum here and here. So let's say left sum is 1 and right sum is 3. So you can calculate 1 plus 3 and the roots value 2, that would be your total sum here. And apart from that, you also need to know what is the count here and here. So we can say left count plus right count, left count plus right count plus 1. So that would be your count here. And to calculate average, you can see the sum here divided by count. So when you do a traversal, so you can see from the left child you need to return two things: sum, not only left as well as right, sum and count. I need two things that you need to return. So in that case, what would be the base condition? Base condition would be sum 0 and count is also 0. So now let's see the code. You can see this is the base condition. If root is null, then we are returning 0 0. Else we have left and right, where I have pair. In key I am storing the sum and in value I am storing the count. So my sum would be left plus right plus root value, that would be my sum, and my count would be the count from left, count from right plus 1. And now I will calculate the average, and if average is equal to root dot value, I will just increment the answer by 1, and at the end I will return the new sum and new count to the parent node. And I think that's it. Let's submit the code. Yeah, it got accepted. Yeah, that's it.